Let's start. The project name is Seekbar. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of main activity. And in the drawable folder, we have an image, which we will use as a thumb of the Seekbar. Let's see the UI. This is the Seekbar. And this is the thumb of the Seekbar, which we will use to drag it. Let's see the code. So we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the Seekbar. The thumb attribute is set to the image in the drawable folder. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the data member of the class. In the onCreate function, first we set the maximum range of the Seekbar to 100. Then we set the initial value of the Seekbar to 50. Then we set the onSeekbarChangeListener, which has several functions like onProgressChanged, onStartTrackingTouch, and onStopTrackingTouch. First, we set the progress value to 0. When the Seekbar is dragged, and the progress is changed, we fetch that value in onProgressChanged function. Now, when the Seekbar dragging stops, the onStopTrackingTouch function gets called, so this is where we show the final progress value in a toast. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I drag the Seekbar, the progress is shown in a toast. Also, you can see the thumb icon is the custom icon that we have provided. Interestingly, if you want to use a vertical Seekbar, you can do so using rotation attribute. See, now the Seekbar is vertical. Let's run the app again. As you can see, the Seekbar is vertical as said earlier. And when I drag it, the progress is shown in a toast. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Seekbar in Java Android. Thanks for watching.